What is that? Get out of the kitchen.
You don't blame them? Your brother who never takes your side.
What? Speaks English.
No, I don't speak Korean. Just the beginning because he in America. I'm watching back over again. I watched already. The first episode. This gonna be Korean. Because he in America right now. That's what they speak English. Put it back. Oh, yeah, okay.
It's right here. 맛있게 드십시오.
Huh? Yeah, he ugly to me too.